Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sodom and I'm your host for today. How are you?
Good, how are you?
So essentially what we're doing right now is I'm going to practice hand washing. I've got his chart. I would practice my hand washing, wash my hands. If we were in a hospital setting, I would move the curtain or shut the door so he has privacy. And also, I ask him how he's doing, not only to establish rapport, but I'm also inspecting his overall appearance, making sure his posture is good, searching for any red flags or any abnormalities that would generally make me ask him certain questions. So, I see that you are here for a cardiac auscultation. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be auscultating 5 areas: his aortic, pulmonary, herbs action, what's the other two? Tricuspid and bicuspid or mitral valve. So, I'm also going to practice sanitation, so I'll be cleaning up my stethoscope before we actually get started. And I'm going to be using the bell. Okay. So how are you, sir?
I'm good.
Could you please state your first and last name? And for his security, I will not be using his real first and last name, so you can simply state a fake name if you'd like.
Dave Matthews.
Dave Matthews, that is my patient for the day. I'm going to verify his identity, so again, if I was in the hospital setting, he would also have a band that I could scan, and also my chart would have his name on it. So 2 verifications that he is who he says he is. And how are you feeling?
Pretty good today, just when, a little concerned, but,
So his general appearance looks really healthy. He doesn't look like he's malnourished. His skin color is appropriate for his ethnicity. I don't see anything that concerns me as far as what I'm seeing now. He's standing upright. There's nothing that I should be concerned about. So we're going to go ahead and start with the auscultation. So I am going to start. I'm going to search for his sternum. I'm just going to feel where your sternum notch is. Your sternum notch. So his sternum notch is here. I'm going to go down. I'm going to make sure I'm going to the right way. Alright, so your left is my right. So I'll go to his right. Second intercostal. But that seems like it's right here. And again, I'm using the bell. Okay, so now I'm going to cross over his sternum and go to his second left intercostal. So crossing the sternum, now I'm at his second. And for both of these, the dub is louder. So now I'm going to go to his third intercostal on his left side. That will be his herbs action or herbs point. And here his love dub is equal. So fourth, I'm going to go to his fourth intercostal now. That is his tricuspid. And the love is louder than the dub. So now I will go to his bicuspid or mitral, and that's his fifth intercostal. So that's more down here. And it's more midline, so it's like right around the nipple area. And I'll listen for 1 minute. More seconds. Okay, so I finished the auscultation. I didn't hear any murmurs or any skips or any triple heartbeats, so I don't think there's anything abnormal about in my findings. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
So far, so good.
Well, everything looked great. Again, I'm gonna practice my hand washing as I exit the room. I'll ask him if he needs anything, and if he were a patient in the actual hospital, I would make sure his call light is near him. I would raise his, I don't know, what are those things called? The side rails. I would raise the side rails, and then I would exit the room.